Hey guys, today I will show you all how to convert media on ZTE Blade A55. Firstly, go into Google Play Store, tap on search, then search bar, and now search up convert image. Convert. Okay, this one. Now install the app. Alright, so now we can open the app. Close the ad. Now select the required format. Allow. And tap here to select an image, import from gallery. Let's say I will choose this one, tap on done. If you would like to, you can also compress it, but I'm not going to do that. Now just tap on done and save. And that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.